How to use Emochi AI. So the first thing that you're gonna see when you tap the app is you have a For You page and Today. For You, these are characters that other people have made. Today are the characters that are made today, and For You are the popular characters that Emochi recommends to you. You can also add different tags such as personality, the relationship you have with that person, or whatever you want. I'm gonna tap friend and stranger. And here in the top, friend and stranger are gonna be added. So here I can see the characters that have the tag friend and stranger in them. So what we need to do now is log into the app. So just tap on chats, and here we're just gonna continue with Google. There you go. Now just choose your gender and select what age you are and what you want your name to be. Now be careful because when you start chatting with some of these characters, they're gonna say your name. So make sure you enter whatever name that you want the character to call you. You can also make your own character. So I'm gonna tap expert mode here. And the first thing that you want is to load up an image that you want your character to look like. There you go. Now just choose the gender and the style. Once you're done with that, tap generate. Now just wait a bit until the AI generates. Sometimes you need to regenerate. And just wait a bit. Now the AI is gonna make 4 different versions of the image, and your job is just to select one version, and you can even edit that version and ask for another generation. Here I'm just gonna select one image. There you go. Now add the name of the person. And now just choose an intro, personality, a welcome message. You can literally type in anything here. But if you want the AI to be accurate, you really need to be specific with the descriptions. You can try an example conversation with the character before you publish it, but I'm just gonna publish it straight away. And there you go, you've created a character. Now by default, it's set so other people can chat with your character as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.